Keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's super insane, and it actually works. So if you Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get free Instagram followers 2025. So as you can see, I've currently got 877, but I can turn on unlimited followers option. So I'm going to turn this on and let's see if my followers go up. So as you can see, I got 877, bro, but that's ass. So I want more followers, so let's see if they go up. And then we're going to see what we're doing, guys. So hopefully I get more followers into my account. Come on now, give me something, baby. Let's get some more followers. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free Instagram followers 2025. So if you're tired of having no followers, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So it's super cool. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. All right, so first step is go to the browser and just go to tweakmod.com. So let me just type in this site right here. So on this site, I just want you to type in Instagram and then just press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is just download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long, but I'm just going to wait for it to load up, you know. It's usually pretty easy, so you guys should not be waiting that long. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. All right. So it's loading right now. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. So yeah, basically we just got to download some of these apps. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you got like TikTok, Underdog. So you just press on it, download it. This one you got to run for 30 seconds. This one you got to reach level 9. So you just press continue and then continue without updates. All right. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow instructions. You're going to be all good to go. So that's super simple, guys. That's how I get free followers today.